Are you passionate about writing and dream of being your own boss? Welcome to this guide on how to become a successful freelance writer. We'll walk you through the essential steps to kickstart your freelance writing career and thrive in the competitive world of freelancing. And stay till the end where we reveal 5 helpful places to get started, so let's dive in. 1. Finding your niche. The first step to success as a freelance writer is finding your niche. Identify the topics you're passionate about and have expertise in. Whether it's technology, health, finance, or lifestyle, choosing a niche allows you to establish yourself as an authority in that area. 2. Building a portfolio. Clients need to see what you're capable of, so start building an impressive writing portfolio. Write sample articles showcasing your skills in your chosen niche. If you're just starting, consider guest blogging or offering your services to nonprofit organizations to gain experience and build your portfolio. 3. Networking and building connections. Freelancing is not just about writing, it's about making connections too. Join writing communities, attend networking events, and engage with other writers online. Building a strong network can lead to valuable referrals and collaborative opportunities. 4. Setting your rates. Deciding on your rates can be challenging. Research the industry standards for freelance writers in your niche and set competitive but fair rates. Consider factors like the complexity of the project, word count, and the amount of research required. Be transparent about your rates with potential clients. 5. Pitching and winning clients. Pitching is a crucial aspect of freelance writing. Tailor your pitches to each client, highlighting how your skills and expertise can benefit their business. Be concise, confident, and showcase your portfolio. Remember, persistence is key in winning clients. 6. Time management. Freelancing offers flexibility, but effective time management is essential for success. Create a schedule that allows you to balance writing, pitching, and personal life. Set deadlines and stick to them to ensure you meet your clients' expectations. 7. Delivering quality work. Your reputation as a freelance writer depends on the quality of your work. Deliver engaging, error-free content that exceeds your clients' expectations. Revise and edit your work before submission. A satisfied client is more likely to become a repeat client or recommend you to others. 8. Managing finances. As a freelancer, you are responsible for managing your finances. Keep track of your earnings, expenses, and taxes. Consider using accounting software or hiring an accountant to stay on top of your financial health. Here are 5 popular and helpful platforms where you can start your journey as a freelance writer. 1. Upwork. Upwork is one of the largest freelance marketplaces, connecting businesses and clients with skilled freelancers. It offers a wide range of writing opportunities, from blog posts to content marketing projects. Create a compelling profile and bid on relevant writing jobs to get started. 2. Freelancer. Similar to Upwork, Freelancer is another well-known platform for freelance writers. Clients post writing projects, and freelancers can bid on them based on their skills and expertise. Freelancer also offers contests and hourly jobs, providing various opportunities for writers. 3. Fiverr. Fiverr is a unique platform that allows freelancers to offer their services through gigs. As a freelance writer, you can create writing-related gigs, such as blog posts, SEO content, or social media copy, and set your prices. Clients can then hire you directly for these services. 4. ProBlogger Job Board. If you're specifically interested in blogging opportunities, the ProBlogger Job Board is a great resource. It lists various blogging and content writing jobs, and you can apply directly to the companies or clients that interest you. 5. LinkedIn Profinder. LinkedIn Profinder is a service provided by LinkedIn to connect professionals with potential clients. It allows you to showcase your writing skills and expertise in your LinkedIn profile. When clients are seeking writing services, they can submit a project request, and LinkedIn will match them with relevant freelancers, including writers. Remember that these platforms are highly competitive, so it's essential to have a strong portfolio and tailor your proposals to each job you apply for. Building a positive reputation, obtaining positive reviews, and delivering high-quality work consistently will significantly increase your chances of success on these platforms. You now have the tools to become a successful freelance writer. Remember, it takes time and dedication to build a thriving freelance career. Stay persistent, keep improving your skills, and never stop learning. Embrace challenges and turn them into opportunities. And there you have it, your freelance writing journey is ready to begin. Please remember to smash that like and subscribe button, so we can continue to offer helpful tips to others.